Manapua. It's a staple of the Hawaii food scene, and over the years, the size and flavors have evolved. Today, we're seeing how it's made at Honolulu Kitchen, home of the original deep-fried Manapua.
We opened Honolulu Kitchen in 2015 in Waipahu. We specialize in Filipino and Chinese local-inspired plate lunch, but we're known for our deep-fried Manapua. Hi, I'm Steve Wong, owner of Honolulu Kitchen and Honolulu Kitchen Smoothie and Drinks.
So today we've got B, E, and Mei Hua here, the pros at Manapua making, and they're going to show me how it's really done. First step is filling the dough with char siu, or Chinese barbecue pork.
Put the medium here.
Okay.
The medium.
Pinch, 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 and flat.
Manapua is like donuts in the mainland. You gotta have your donut in the mainland, right? Well, Hawaii, you gotta have your Manapua in the morning.
2,000 of them are made in this kitchen every day. It's incredible how much labor goes into these tiny, tasty treats. It's hot back here. Okay, that's done. Time to transfer them into the steamer. All right, Steve, so we've prepped the Manapua, we've steamed them. What's next?
We're gonna deep fry it.
Time to deep fry?
Deep fry.
Okay.
Actually, we make you some high now custom Manapua.
Wow, look at these. How awesome.
I came up with the deep fried Manapua by accident. We dropped the Manapua in the oil, tasted pretty good, made it smaller, put design on it, and that's the birth of deep fried Manapua. Well, it's so important that we use gas because, you know, we need the high temperature quick, yeah?
Yeah.
So without the gas, no way, deep fried Manapua.
No, deep fried Manapua, not possible.
Not possible. We started doing custom Manapua about 3 years ago. That's like either writing or words or even a picture, your logo, everything is hand-drawn. I'm also crazy enough to come up with 262 flavors so far.
And if you're looking to wash down all the Manapua you eat, visit Steve's latest juice bar.
Just this April, we opened our smoothie shop next door. Everything that we use is 100% fresh food, and I have a special drink they call Uncle Steve Special.
And there you have it, deep fried Manapua's high now style. Thanks so much, Steve.
Good job.
Thank you. Cheers. Come check out the Honolulu Kitchen here in Waipahu. Oh, that's good.
Char siu. That's what you made.
I made this, guys. I think I did a phenomenal job. Oh yeah, deep fried goodness.
Brought to you by Hawaii Gas.